For addition, number 1, 2 over 3 plus 4 over 5. Cross multiply 2 and 5. So that's 2 times 5, 10. Then 3 times 4 is 12. And the operation is addition. So plus all over 3 times 5 is 15. So 10 plus 12 is 22 over 15. Okay, for subtraction, 5 over 2 minus 3 over 4. Cross multiply again, 5 and 4. That's 20. Then minus 2 times 3, 6. All over 2 times 4, 8. 20 minus 6 is 14 over 8. So lowest term this one. Divide the numerator denominator by 2. 14 by 2 is 7. 8 by 2 is 4. The answer is 7 over 4. Multiplication, 2 over 5 times 7 over 4. We can apply cancellation. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 by 2 is 2. And 7 and 5, we cannot cancel anymore. So 1 times 7 is 7 over 5 times 2 is 10. Answer is 7 over 10. And for division, 2/5 divided by 8 over 15. First, copy 2/5. Then, turn division into multiplication. Then, reciprocate 8 over 15. So, 15 over 8. Then, apply cancellation once more. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 by 2 is 4. And 5 and 15 by 5, 1. By 5, 3. So, 1 times 3 is 3 over 1 times 4 is 4. So, answer is 3/4.